Hey everyone, this is Coach Hula and I hope you are well. So I'm about to do a quick video. I'm about to check my weight. I might do this once in a while. It's been a while since I've done this, since the pandemic and the lockdown and the shutdown. And I'm one of those individuals, just to give you a little background, I've always experienced the roller coaster of weight loss and gain. Yep, since as a kid, I'm not genetically gifted, I was overweight. And in my 20s, I was going through the roller coaster of weight loss and gain, basically by running it or stopping eating. And until I learned the science, when I entered the fitness industry, I was able to break out of breaking even. And breaking even is the term that I coined a couple of years ago, which is when you exercise regularly, eat healthy, but are not seeing long-term results due to not understanding what its long-term weight loss is based on your lifestyle. So needless to say, I was as heavy as 270 pounds at one time, and I've been as light as 185. And these days, due to the pandemic, significant impact on me personally and professionally, I haven't been as active. I'm active, but not as active as I was. But the main point of this message is that we cannot outrun nutrition. So I had my moments where I had a lot of brownies and all that good stuff during the early lockdown, and then I had to dial it in. And I know I'm not alone with that. So needless to say, I'm going to just weigh myself, and then you're going to see my weight. So it should be between 190, 195. And lastly, if you check the description of this post, there will be a full video of my weight loss journey that I did about a year ago. And it explains more in detail what I encounter, what I've done, and how having a support network is very important, and understanding that there is a science behind this and you can do it too. So here we go. Let's see if I can flip this. So let me bring it down. Oh, I gotta step on this first, right? So I'm on. I thought I can just flip it. And here I go. Hopefully you can see that. And that was it. So check out the link in the description. Reach out to me for any help and assistance, and you are worth it. Break out or break even.